Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic network diagrams in project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management. If you are a student of project management and studying project management in university, or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is a very important topic. As a whole chapter is there in the PMBOK on this topic of network diagramming. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a project manager, so again, this is important for you to understand the concept of network diagrams and to use it in your professional and professional life of project management. So let's just start. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Network diagrams in project management. First of all, friend, this is a purely a topic related to project management. That what is the concept of network diagramming in project management? So we will discuss all the things related to project management here. So first of all, we have to understand that what is a project, because we are talking about network diagramming related to project management. So what is a project actually, friend? Friend, as per the definition of PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, project is a temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output, product, service, or result. That is called as project. For example, if you are building a house, so it's a project. If you are building, if you are making a mobile application for customers, so it's a project. If you are building a flyover for for citizens, so it's a project. You are introducing a new business process in an organization, so it's a project. So two ingredients are very important in each project. First thing is temporary and second thing is unique. So temporary and unique, these are the two most important ingredients for a project. Temporary and unique. Okay. So now we have to understand that what is the concept of network diagram actually. Where network diagram is a presentation of workflow in a graphical manner consisting of boxes or arrow. It helps the project team members or other readers to properly understand the concept of a project, including schedule, sequencing, and ending. See, friend, here it was just a definition. Uh, friend, just try to understand from an example here. Um for example, you want to meet your uncle. Okay, let's take an example here, and you have to travel from location A to location B. So you must have to think that how will you go there. Like first of all, you have to arrange a car. Okay, then you need a petrol, you have to arrange a petrol. Then you have to travel from location A to location B, and then you can reach to meet your uncle. Okay, so these are the activities which you must have to perform if you want to perform, if you want to go to meet your uncle or relative. Now friend, here the same concept here as well. Like we have to plan each and every task. For example, you have to implement an e-commerce solution for a customer. Okay, then you have to think that you have to decompose the work into smaller activities which you can estimate, like how much time is required to accomplish the work. For example, take the same example of e-commerce. If you want to implement an e-commerce solution, so what you have to do at a very high level, you have to develop the e-commerce solution, which approximately take, you can say, 3 weeks. Then you have to test, and then you have to deploy. Okay, as a whole, as a high level, you can say. So one activity is for development, one activity is testing, and one activity is deployment. As a whole, it is a very high level. I'm just giving you as an example. Otherwise, we have to decompose it further to estimate it well. So now friends, see, if we have three activities, one is development, one is testing, and one is deployment. So we have to estimate that how much time is required, and based on that we can have to sequence those activities in a proper manner so that we can understand that which activity will be performed in which manner. Okay, are you getting my point? First of all, from a project we have to decompose the project into smaller activities so that we can analyze the required work. Okay, like for example, if you are making a mobile application, so you have to think that how much time is required for the designing or making the wireframes, how much time is required to finalize the database, and how much time is required to finalize the programming, how much time is required to finalize the middleware work, then how much work is time is required for testing. And you have to also think that which activities can be done in parallel, which can activities can be done in sequential, and how we can complete the work. So, so all those things can be accomplished through the concept of network diagram here. See friend, here just taken as an example, network diagramming here, like for example we have seen that a b d f and a c e. So this is a very simple example of network diagram here friend. You can see that we can go from a to b, b to d, and e, and f. F is the ending point. Similarly, another path is possible like A, C, E, F as well. So B and C are in parallel, and D and E are also parallel. So both B and C are not dependent on each other. Similarly, D and E are also not dependent on each other. Parallel activities concept is like that friend, the activities which are independent and which are not dependent on each other. For example, software designing and software development, these are the two activities which can be done in parallel because they are not directly in dependent on each other. Okay, this is a concept, this is an example of parallel activities. Sequential activities means that once the activity will finish, only then the next activity will start. For example, once the development will finish, only then the testing will start. So this is an example of sequential activity. So friend, see, network diagramming is very important in project management. So the concept of network diagram in project management is that we have to decompose the work of project into smaller pieces of tasks which can be estimate well in a project. Then we have to see that how much time is required to accomplish the work. Then we can sequence the activities properly. The purpose of sequencing is that we can estimate the proper time, and we have a very good knowledge. We can get a awareness about the schedule, sequencing, and ending as well. So this is the concept of the sequence diagram here, friend. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.